Hi, in this video we will see how to use distance function in Tableau. So distance function is a spatial function. So basically this function returns the distance between two points. So in order to use this function, let's create one calculation field title, and here we type the function distance. So here we can see this takes two input, start and end, and also input third input as a unit. So we can see here it is saying that distance function return the distance between two points. So after creating the distance function, and then we have to put the points. So in our data we don't have any points, so we have to make points within the function. So there's a function called make point. So we will use this function inside this function, and then we will use a, for example, if I use a number as a 14 and a negative of 80, and then comma, and then we have to use endpoint. So make point, and we will use this time a different number which is 30 and 12. And the last one is the unit. So we will use unit as a kilometer, km. So as you can see here, the calculation is valid, it is showing now. So if I click on the apply and OK, and if I go to my function and drop it onto the label or text, so we can see here the distance between these two points is around 71 million in kilometers. So if I go here and increase the value and apply, so this is a quite big. So this is the number that we have got. So this says, so the point that we have choose, which are minus 14 and minus 80, and second endpoint is 30 comma minus 12. So this is showing the distance between these 2 points is around 71 comma 396 comma 298, which are 71 million around. So this is how we can use the distance function in Tableau. So for example, if I use the number which are taken as an example here, so if I take the example as a 47.5, second example is a negative of 122.32, and the second endpoint is negative of 33.85, and the second number is 150.92. Our function is good to go. Apply and OK. So number has been changed to 124 million. So this is how we can use distance function to find out the distance between 2 points. So in order to make point, there is a function called as make point to create a point on a particular place. So we have to use make point function, and the distance function is used to find out the distance between 2 points. So this is how we can use the distance function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.